We gaze upward, seeking beauty in the flurry of wings, a muse of myth, a symbol of freedom, a fragile song suspended in the sky. We name them, photograph them, write them into our stories. But are they merely reflections of our desires? In the mirrored surface of our admiration, we may never see the bird itself. You call us muses, idols, omens, but to us, you are the visitors. Your tall towers and flashing lenses, brief interruptions in our boundless skies. You build monuments to us, etch our images into your coins and walls. We see your symbols everywhere, but rarely your understanding. A splatter of bird droppings on the ground. A lone feather resting on the wet earth. A branch trembling as it lets go of flight. These traces are an invitation, not an answer. To truly meet the bird, we must unlearn our gaze. No longer a muse, no longer a mirror, only a presence in shared time and space.